Hey friends, if you wish to fix Microsoft Store error 0x803f8001 on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. First of all, we will perform an action called WS reset. Press Windows plus R, type WS reset or Windows Store reset and hit enter. This will reset the Microsoft Store and reopen it. In most of the cases, this will fix the problem because it's rebuilding the cache after deleting the corrupt cache. But if this doesn't help, then I have a command for you in the description section of the video. Simply copy it and search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator, paste it here and hit enter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.